there. I've never stayed in this room. This is a different one. We're supposed to got 2 queens, but it's just 1 king, which is fine. Because it looks like you got a little bit extra space in this one. There's a chair over there. There's a window. There's the bed. It's set up a little bit different. It's not as much room in here, but it goes back here. There's the closets, and I can't go in the bathroom yet because my wife's in there. But the bathroom's really, really big compared to the other rooms. Oh shit! Not a good view. We used to get the pool view, but that's cool. And she always has to start talking when I'm recording stuff. We're fixing to go down to we're fixing to go down to Kirbys. Have us a filet mignon. Got this little area set up here. The only thing I don't like is I don't have bathtubs. I don't have bathtubs, but.
Don't do that because I'm taking a picture of this. Okay. Get on the bathroom doors, you're in the way.
Okay, I'm done. Let me get it, man. Okay. Ready? Oh, there's the big one. Big Christmas tree.
Oh, yeah. Looks good.
Uh-huh.
Have a beverage in here?
Oh, look at the Mickey Mouse thing.
Oh, look at that. That's cute.
That's kind of cool.
That's like all of those crystals.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see.
Hey, where are you going? Didn't this used to be a bar right here? We used to cut through. Now it's Mickey Mantle.
It was open.
All right, we're gonna go eat some steak.
That's different. I'm just gonna get a vodka soda. What do you? Yeah, let's. I'll wait until I get out there and have some.
I'm gonna have the filet mignon. Of course, that redfish sounds good too. And then there's some creme brulee. All there's stuff on the back too. What is this? Sauteed mushrooms. That's a jalapeno macaroni cheese, right? I got the filet split with a peppercorn sauce. There's the mushrooms. What kind of steak did you get?
Filet, butterfly.
Oh. Delicious.
I got the